Sure Mr. Bryan didn't do the body work on here?
Why is it like that?
Because you cranked the motherfucker.
No, they're not tight.
Not anymore, basically you already made them bend. Fucking tell me no. I know, my fucking ceiling looks like this. I know what it's from.
Huh? You're sure?
No, you can't fix it now. It's already bent.
I have the holes are broken.
It doesn't matter, do the same thing over here. Crank it down with that.
Crank it down there. I don't give a fuck.
Perfect. Leave it alone. It doesn't matter. It's not that hard.
Perfect. Shut it. Oh wait, you're gonna bring them up? Oh yeah, that's perfect. But now look, now look at
It doesn't
yours.
matter.
Now look at yours.
It doesn't matter.
At least they match now.
I really don't care.
At least they match.
I was
Fucked up.
Hey, I told him to go get these. He brings me fucking $2.30 fucking whatever the fuck it's called. Finish.
Yeah.
What are you supposed to do? You couldn't spend a little bit of money?
They get nice with sticker on.
Well,
Ones that aren't
look
fucking
at your
aluminum.
whole.
Yeah, ones that aren't fucking aluminum. Oh yeah.
Watch it. Watch what's going to cover it. This one is going to cover that. And then make that one cover the center. You can turn it if you want. Yeah, there we go.
Perfect.
I'm going to pee, and then I think I'm done with this car. Hang on.
I think we're all done with this car once Nick gets that mirror. You need help with that, Nick?
No, I got it.
Ah, we gotta put this stupid fucking molding on. Hey, Andy,
What?
does he have the molding that goes between the door and the window?
The chrome one?
Yeah.
That goes around this?
No, this. No? We don't
It
have
was
it?
never there.
Okay.
I even love the corners. That is only to keep the screws in.
drive. I will drive it.
spreading random acts of kindness through Rocky Nation, sponsored by Allenby Roofing.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Go to foreveryork.com to sign up for a free lunch for up to 20 people, provided by Weiss Markets and delivered by us.
Thank you, Forever.
We know you work hard in Rocky Nation, and this is our way to show a little extra appreciation for all you do. From Rocky 98.5.
Locally owned and operated, Hanover Foods Corporation is a proud sponsor of the Feed a Friend Marathon for 2022. And Hanover Foods, making the finest guest quality canned beans in America and the best frozen vegetables you ever thought. It's been our passion locally since 1924. Check us out at HanoverFoods.com or stop by the outlet store on Wilson Avenue in Hanover. From our farms to your table, it's Hanover Foods for your family. Always.
All right, Tex. Red Kirby Chevrolet Buick is talking turkey with smoking deals and exceptional trade-in values.
I do speak turkey, Bubba. When I used to part the turkeys, I would speak comfort to them. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Tex, talking turkey means Red Kirby Chevrolet Buick is getting down to business with
$2,000 off MSRP on new 2022 Silverados or super low 1.9% APR. And if you're stuck in your loan or lease, Red Kirby Chevrolet Buick wants to get you released so you can drive a new or quality pre-owned vehicle for less. That's right, Tex. Red Kirby Chevrolet Buick's got a great selection of quality pre-owned cars, trucks, and SUVs with huge savings compared to new. Prices starting under $10,000. And Red Kirby Chevrolet Buick has great financing programs, even if your credit's a little foul. See, it's foul like a bird. Yeah, we get it. I love Red Kirby Chevrolet Buick because their deals are smoking. I love them because no turkeys were harmed in the making of this commercial. Get huge savings today at Red Kirby Chevrolet Buick in beautiful Gettysburg. Or on the interweb at redkirbychevroletbuick.com. Includes factory rebate on select models with approved credit offered not combined.
The post-workout glow at Planet Fitness doesn't just feel great, it feels 80s pump-up jam great. And now when you become a PF Black Card member, your glow can be even greater with a free Amazon Halo fitness tracker. Get the PF Black Card for 0 enrollment at just $24.99 a month. Bring a friend, join massage chairs, and get a free Amazon Halo View. Deal ends November 15th. Subject to taxes, fees, and commitments. See club for details.
My friend and I are taking a trip to Mexico this year, but neither of us speak Spanish. So we downloaded Babbel and started learning Spanish fast.
Want to start getting conversational in another language in as little as 3 weeks? Babbel's quick 10-minute lessons were designed by language experts to be the most efficient and effective way to learn a new language.
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿De dónde eres?
¿De dónde eres?
Babbel's interactive lessons are created by real language teachers and voiced by real native speakers using a modern conversation-based method. So in no time, you can start speaking confidently about real-life topics in another language.
Nosotras vamos a México en 2 días y ahora hablamos español. Gracias, Babbel. Sí, muchas gracias.
Babbel, language for life. Celebrating 10 million subscriptions sold. Now try Babbel for free at Babbel.com. Just go to Babbel.com and start learning a new language today. That's Babbel.com. Babbel.com.
Marbar. For the whole car.
Heading out on the road on bald or choppy tires? Don't compromise your safety and don't settle for knockoffs. Choose Goodyear tires installed and serviced by Marbar. Right now, use your Goodyear card and get a $200 rebate off a set of 4 Goodyear tires. And if you purchase between November 5th and November 19th, you'll get an additional $60 instant rebate. From all-season tires to sport and truck tires, Goodyear sets the standard in quality and durability. And Marbar Tire sets the standard in workmanship with full-service repair from small cars to big trucks and RVs, state inspections, and lots more. Find your next set of Goodyear tires at marbartire.com. Then roll into Marbar Tire on Hanover Road in Hanover.
Marbar. For the whole car. marbartire.com.
Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post your job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you. It finds them for you. Its powerful technology identifies people with the right experience and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. The needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job in ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.com/radio.
We've been together for 30 years. 35 years together. And never an argument.
Oh, we fight a lot.
That we couldn't settle. But we finally agreed on cannabis of all things.
Our friends had had a good experience with it, so we decided to give it a shot.
And we both agreed we didn't want to go sit in some doctor's office with a bunch of masked strangers waiting for a medical cannabis card.
We did.
Oh, thank you.
So we went to verybill.com and pre-qualified online for our medical cannabis cards in just a few minutes.
The simple payment plan made it very manageable.
Yeah, woman gets what she wants.
I'm a force of nature.
Join the millions of people who pre-qualify online for a medical cannabis card with VeriHeal. One low fee covers the cost of consultation and the card. And if you don't qualify, your fee is refunded 100%. Get started today with easy financing. Visit VeriHeal now. That's VeriHeal. VeriHeal.com.
Rocky Nation forecast sponsored by Hanover Concrete. Stop on by the showroom floor. They still got discounted Halloween decorations for sale along with Christmas decorations. And then the fun ones. A lot of sunshine today and a high of 65. Clouds through the overnight. Chance of rain mainly after midnight. Gloria working its way up there. 54, that would be north. That would be our low through the overnight. Tomorrow's Veterans Day. We got rain all day. Gusty winds, maybe some thunderstorms with a high of 69. Weather sponsored by Xfinity, introducing Xfinity Mobile's biggest wireless deal yet. Now get 2 lines of unlimited, just $30 a month. Mostly sunny and 51. No repeat work day. The rose has its thorn because every now and then you have to shed a little blood to show that you're still breathing. That's my mentality anyway, but nobody says I'm normal. It's Rocky 98.5, no repeat work day.
We both lost our in the dead of the night. Although we both lie close together, we feel miles apart inside. Was it something I said, something I did? Did my words not come out right? No, I tried not to hurt you. No, I tried, but I guess that's why they say every rose has its thorn. Just like every night has its dawn. Just like every cowboy sings a sad song. Every rose has its thorn. We both made a slip away. Now I think about somebody new, and that I never meant that much to you. They hear that up inside you, 'cause they're like now I can't stay. The rose has its own, just like every night has its dawn.
always good. The music is great. Rocky 98.5.
What I call Thursday. I've called it that for a while just because I think Thor deserves his own day. On Wednesday at 2 o'clock, hopefully you're having a good one because, why not? Jimmy Dean, they got a group of carolers for the holiday season. It's the Jimmy Dean Sausage Sunrise Carolers. They'll do live little performances across the country. You can enter to be serenaded by going to Sunrise Carolers' website. Holiday songs include Oh Jimmy Dean, We Wish You a Merry Morning, The 12 Days of Breakfast and Time to Cook. Now doesn't that sound festive?
Thanks for listening to Rocky 98.5. Here are a few things you should know. First, portions of our broadcast may be pre-recorded and or delayed.
Second, should you call the station, you are giving us your permission to record and or air all or part of your call at our discretion. Third, this station from time to time runs various contests and giveaways which have general and specific rules that address how the contests and giveaways are conducted and things you need to know should you participate. These rules, along with certain other rules that govern our operations and websites, can be viewed on our station website, foreveryork.com. Some may be aired in part on our station, available by writing or by visiting the station studio address 275 Radio Road, Hanover, PA 17331. Once again, thanks for listening to Rocky 98.5 and have a great day.
Close your eyes and imagine your happy place. Ours is right here at home. At Tevis Home, we offer a wide selection of customizable propane, natural gas, and pellet appliances. Trust the experts to keep you comfortable this winter season. Visit TevisHome.com today.
Is foot pain making your life miserable? The Good Feet store wants to help. Visit our store in Lancaster or Camp Hill for a free fitting and test walk, and learn more about how the Good Feet store can help you find relief.
The name Alpha Broder has become synonymous with a great company culture and is the employer of choice for hundreds of area workers in a challenging hiring market.
My name is Morgan, and I chose to work full-time with Alpha Broder because they believed in my abilities, they valued my mind, and most importantly, they provided me a platform to be able to learn and grow with them.
At Alpha Broder's state-of-the-art warehouse facility in Lewisberry, workers are valued, supported, and well compensated.
We're a company that has taken the time to create a real sense of community among our teams. In addition to our competitive wages, our company also matches dollars on all employee 401k plans up to 3% of their income.
And there's a reason why they call it the Alpha Broder family. Many employees say they found their best fit right here.
A lot of employees feel comfortable in calling our company home, and you will too.
Find out more at alphabroder.com. Alpha Broder is an equal opportunity employer.
All right, Mr. Doubles, it's that time of the year again. Got any last requests? What? You want a smoking deal on a new Kia, Hotel Venero for your trade, and your credit card? Well, go to Kia. Hey, goes. Stuck in your loan or lease, Red Derby Kia wants to get you released. Even if you owe thousands more than it's worth. We have a great selection of new Kias with more arriving weekly. All available with zero down payment and great financing programs. Look at your credit, little pal. Red Derby Kia has partnered with even more lenders that will push to approve your credit, even if your credit is less than perfect. With financing available for your service repairs. Lower prices, exceptional trade-in values, and a better buying experience. It doesn't matter where you are. The best deals are at Red Derby Kia by far. 85 Frequent Drive in Gettysburg. We're online at redderbykia.com. Subject to lender approval.
At PNC Bank, we know you've got a lot of choices when it comes to banking. From deciding which bank to use, to the vast sea of rewards and account benefits, the sheer number of options can be overwhelming. That's why we do everything we can to make it easy for you. Now through November 30th, you can earn up to $400 when you open and use a select new virtual wallet product. Simply establish a qualifying direct deposit. To learn more, visit a branch or go to pnc.com/checking offer. And with that product, you'll get checking and savings together. Not to mention, you'll also enjoy the added benefits of low cash mode, our financial watch-out that can help you avoid overdraft fees. Get started today with Virtual Wallet from PNC Bank. Offer is available in eligible markets only. Virtual Wallet and low cash mode are registered marks of the PNC Financial Services Group, Inc. PNC Bank, National Association, member FDIC.
Anticipation is building. The holidays are just around the corner, and at the Home Depot, we can't wait. With Black Friday savings all through November, you can count down to Christmas early with a Santa Countdown Inflatable Special Buy, only $69.98. Or anticipate when friends and family come to visit with an entrance full of LED lights that will welcome them and the holidays with open arms. Get the holiday magic started early. The Home Depot. Our doers get more done.
Open wide. Let me see that smile.
There's a back-to-school braces boom at Doc Kelly's office.
Can you hold on for a sec? Can someone bring me more broccoli?
She needs to realign her staffing plan with more registered dental assistants.
Can you reorder the rubber bands in red?
Indeed can help her hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. We instantly connect you with quality candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job description. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply. Now, another long block of the 70s, 80s, and 90s, sponsored by WellSpan Health, starts now on Rocky 98.5.
All that for the mirror.
More music is working. Well, here it is on Rocky 98.5.